All right, the most common insurance question we get here at Two Wants to Know is, who is responsible for tree damage? Chase Smith at Alliance Insurance answers the question.
It is always the homeowner. We get this question a lot. A lot of circumstances with a neighbor's tree may have fallen on your next door neighbor's home. The homeowner is always responsible.
Okay, so fine, if it's your home, it's your responsibility. Doesn't matter whose tree it is. I don't know that that always sits well with folks.
Yeah, it seems kind of weird.
I know I've heard that a million times over the past years. It still is weird to think that a tree in somebody else's yard, but it's your fault.
Absolutely.
Your responsibility, not
responsibility.
Your fault.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now here's another common question about insurance. What if the tree, okay, there actually hits like the garage part of the house and your car is inside? Which insurance covers it? Your homeowner's insurance or your car insurance?
Wait a minute. That's tricky because it is under the roof of your home.
That's
is that right?
correct.
And I know your homeowner's insurance covers items like an iPad that you had in your home.
Right.
But if it's stolen out of your car, your homeowner's that pays it, right?
Right. So it's kind of like, all right, so what's going on here? Well, I like how you both are thinking because this is a tricky thing, but the answer is your car insurance pays for the damage, even if your car is inside the garage. See, the problem is insurance only pays if you have comprehensive coverage, which isn't required for all cars. That's a problem.
Okay.
Comprehensive coverage is really for acts of nature, things like hail damage, hitting an animal, lightning, flood, a limb falling on it.
Hey, all right, one last thing as Lauren was making her exit. Here's the last scenario. When there are limbs and tree trunks kind of like all over your yard, right? It's just a big old mess, and it's more than what you can handle by yourself. You need some kind of big machinery. The standard homeowner's insurance policy does not cover that. You may have an enhanced policy that does, but I got to tell you, your everyday policy does not. You're on your own.